In today's Alipay short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to send money to a contact on Alipay to Alipay step-by-step tutorial. But before we dive deep into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement agent, importer, and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial about Alipay topic. So with that being said, let's dive into tutorial and see how you can send money to a contact in Alipay. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you click on your Alipay right here. And the next thing you want to do is to click on messages. So at this point here, you need to make sure that you choose the right contact so that you don't send money to a wrong person. But because immediately you send this money, it's not going back. Okay. So the next thing you want to do is to click on the contact person that you want to send money to. So I'm sending money to this person right here. So you have to select the person. So having select the person, the next thing you need to do is to click on this plus sign right here. Then this is going to pump up. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on transfer. Having clicked on transfer, the next thing to do is to enter the amount you are sending to the person. Once you enter the amount you are sending to the person, then you have to click on transfer. Then your Alipay is going to connect. Then at this point here, you have to click on confirm. Then you have to enter your payment authorization. So you have to make use of password or your fingerprint. So I'm using my password to send the money. Then right here, you enter your payment password. Boom. So once you enter your transfer password, then your Alipay is going to connect and the transfer is going to be successful, just like what you see right here. Okay. So you can screenshot this page and send it to the person that you send money to. Once you screenshot, then it proves that you have made the transfer successful. Once you are done, you can click on done right here. Boom, so you are done. So this is how you can send money to an individual contact on Alipay step-by-step tutorial. For more tutorial about Alipay, please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload content about Alipay topic, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.